That's my colleague,
Hi
Officer Jack.
guys,
Don't
good
mess
morning
up
to you all my
or
viewers and
else you go
subscribers,
collect.
my returning subscribers. Thank you, my back-to-back subscribers. I love you. Okay guys, as you all know, it's your girl Mimi. Mimi and is a period. What are we making this morning? What are we making this morning? I'm about to show you one of my recipe of my breakfast. Exactly the things I ate to remain with my flat belly. Okay guys, I'm just going to quickly show you this and okay, let's sit and watch. I think 3 or 4, man, these eggs are just too little. She used 4 or 5. Okay guys, what am I doing right now? First of all, I'm making a breakfast this morning and let's see how it goes. These are all the ingredients I'm using. Very simple ingredients, very simple. And then my cabbage will go in next to my carrots, followed by my green pepper, followed by my chopped onions, very little piece of chopped, yeah. And follow in by my spring onions, and as you know, Mimi loves pepper. Yeah, I will. And so guys, I have my little flour on, and then the salt, the Maggi is all in, so I'm just gonna mix this with my egg, have it well mixed. Yeah, I guess I should go in with the last egg. Yeah. So let's see what we're doing with this. This is garden egg, the one you know. And then I'll go in with my vegetable oil now. Don't really need much of vegetable oil, just a little. So guys, check out this recipe and tell me what you think. Is it something you want to do? But I bet you, if you try to, you won't regret it. Yeah, you won't regret it at all. This recipe is one in town. Yeah, it is one in town. It is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, yahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo! Whoa, guys, try this recipe in your home. Come thank me later. Guys, this recipe is the most simple recipe you can use for breakfast. You can eat with your egg, with your bread. You can eat it like that if you so wish. It's all good. The best. Wow. I can't wait to have this. Pig.
Hey guys. Randomly, just like that. And so guys, how do you see this? Do you like this recipe of mine or not? Comment on the comment section and like, share and subscribe. Don't miss that. Let's grow together, guys. So you can eat this by So, or this is just so good. This is too good. This is you taking the potato out. If you feel like it, you can do that. It's easy. It's simple. See? See? It's simple. Guys, don't miss out on this. For your family, your kids, yourself. It's just so yummy. And crunchy too. Wow. So guys, if you like this video. So guys, I'll be calling it a quit for today. And see you in my next episode. Don't forget, this is Mimi, M-I-M-I, the period, paid, Mimi. Let's do this. Subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. I love you guys. Peace out. Bye.